My name is Ali Zedi. Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Ali Zedi. I'm DST5 for Finance and Operation Techno-Functional Consultant, right? So I'm going to revise my SQL Server skills, a beginner to intermediate course that if you want to learn something, start teaching it. So for this, I start recording this course, my journey to revision for T-SQL. So let's begin. So first of all, I have to download Microsoft SQL Server 2022 Express Edition. Then I required Microsoft Management Studio that supports 2022, and then I go to download AdventureWorks 2022 backup file. So I'm going to click search that SQL Server 22 Express Edition download, and click on a download. Ask me to download, and second I want to let it download, right? Then I start searching that SQL management studio SQL Server 2022, right? Install SQL Server Management Studio. So it asks me download Express Edition, installation highlight, and system requirement management studio determine. And I'm going to download this. Okay, that is also download. Then I want to search adventure works database 2022 AdventureWorks sample database for SQL Server. I'm going to click on it, and now it told me a few things, and I am click here to download it. Meanwhile, I'm going to my downloads. Programs, and here is downloaded version. I click on it. It asks me to download. I want to install a basic. Yes, I don't want to go advanced level. C program, SQL Server, minimum free space, download site is this. Okay, I'm going to install it. So SQL Server is successfully downloaded and it's now installing on my machine. Successfully installed, right? And I copied this link for a future reference. So is there any problem? So I can use. So I saved it, right? Go back to installation and close it, because I separated and download the SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. I will install it, right? And I close it, and okay, and now I'm going back to the same folder where I installed the Visual Studio SMS, and let's see. So downloading is completed. Now it's asked me about the AI assistant, business intelligence, code tools. So I just want to install SQL Server Management Studio. I don't want to install AI Assistant. It's a good, it helps us, but I want to learn and practice SQL Server. So I click on install. So installation is completed, and now we try to connect and attach the database. It also want to restart the Windows, but I will do in a later phase. Okay, I click OK, and now I am call the launch. Skip sign in with a Microsoft account, skip it later. So it asks me to connect. One way, simple way to dot, or you have to click on a dot and then you have to database default, and because we don't have any database, it did not ask me to authority to trust, and mandatory encrypt optional, right? And color is default, right? And let's see it will be connect or not. Dot means a local server, so it is connected on my local machine, right? Let's see, there is no database, so I want to add my attachment. I right click and already connected, so database is right click and restore database, restore files and file group. I click here, and now I want to from device, click here, add file, and I go into documents and settings. If I go in a download, and let's see where it download. I open the folder and I copied that file. It is placed in a pictures, and I copy it and go into C, and I create a one folder, the temp, new folder. I paste its name temp, and inside the temp folder I paste the backup file. So backup file is there. I'm going back to studio, add, and then it's very easy to find a temp folder. Go back, see, and here is a temp folder, and this is the file. Click on OK, click on OK. It wants a name, restore, and here I put the name at works 2025, right? And click on OK, and optional override, and click on so it did not allow me to download install, so I cancel it, and I want to 2022 version. So actually I downloaded this, and now I'm downloading this version. So I mistakenly download the 2025 version, which is not supported because my SQL Server is 2022 Express Edition. So I again download the uh, AdventureWorks backup for SQL Server 2022. So I'm going to again right click on a database, and then restore file, from device, select, add, and again I go for a temp because download is done in a temp folder. and this is 2022. Right click on it, okay, select, and it asks me to enter database name. So I enter Adventure Works 2022, right, and click OK. Okay, it asks me already there, so I add underscore. Adventure Works successfully restored. If I refresh it, new database is there. I can do a new query, or even I can expand that. I can see tables, I can see views. So thank you for watching for this video. So in next video we will get the overview of database and tables and what is a syntax for a TSQL. Thank you for watching.